Last week, I posted this question on my Instagram account and I noticed a lot of you got it wrong. What's the difference between bring and take and how do you use them properly? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. And this video right here is something that a lot of you asked for. So I'm really happy na I get to explain this better sa inyo. So thank you so much for those people who requested that I make a video on this topic. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon para malaman ninyo as soon as a new video posts. I try to post at least one new video lesson every week. And like I said in the intro before, I do post itong mga quick questions on my Instagram account at Lyqa Maravilla. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, go ahead and find me on Instagram so you can follow and participate dito sa mga quick questions na ito. These are, ano ba to? Parang challenge din for you guys. And challenge din for me to create at least one new question for you to practice and think on for the day. Okay? Sabi nga natin dito sa team, never stop learning. So in order for me pala to explain better kung ano yung difference ng bring at take at kung kailan sila ginagamit, I'm going to switch over to my PC. So I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so welcome sa discussion natin on bring or take. It's one of the things na hindi natin napapansin pagdating sa mga questions, lalo sa mga exams. And that's the reason why I'm teaching this sa inyo. In many cases, people interchange it. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit nila yung bring kung kailan dapat take and yung take kung kailan siya bring. So, kailangan talaga maging mas mindful tayo dito kasi kung tutuusin, may mga cases na parang tunog pa rin tama pero yun pala mali pala siya. Okay? Now, ano ba ang difference nitong bring tsaka take? It all depends on the direction. Now, if you've seen yung aking video on come or go, and if you haven't yet, click na lang dito sa taas, okay? Para makakatch up kayo. The rules are kind of the same. It's all about direction. Kung saan papunta yung isang bagay, or kung paalis pa siya, palayo kung kanino. Okay? So, yun yung magiging focus natin ngayon. Let's start with the word bring. Okay? Now, when we're talking about yung bring, usually sa conversation form yan. Okay? So, laging merong speaker at merong listener. Now, yung third na character dun sa sitwasyon would be kung ano yung dadala nila. Okay? Now, when do you use it? You use it kung ang movement ay papunta or towards the speaker. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung isang bagay na yon, whatever that is, na dadalhin, okay, ay dadalhin mula sa listener papunta dun sa speaker. Okay? So, ang direction has to be like that. Kung papunta sa speaker, you use the word bring. Now, again, bakit naguguluhan ng mga Pilipino dito? Kasi sa atin, dadalhin lang lagi. Dalhin mo to doon. Dalhin mo yan dito. Dalhin lang. Hindi magkaiba. Okay? So, sa atin, ang bring at saka take, hindi tayo masyadong aware na magkaiba pala sila. So, kailan gagamitin ang bring if the movement is towards the speaker? So, for example, sabi dito, could you please blank the puppy home to me? Okay? So, you have to imagine, nasan ba yung puppy? Yung puppy, wala, pero inuutusan mo yung listener na dalin yung puppy sa'yo. So, kung dadalin papunta sa'yo, sa iyong direction, this should be bring. Could you please bring the puppy home to me? Okay, so again, kapag ang isang bagay ay papunta sa speaker, okay, you use the word bring. Now, when do you use take? You use the word take if ang movement naman ng speaker at listener ay iba. Okay? You use it if the movement is away from the speaker. Okay? So, pwedeng, kunyari, sabihin, yung listener, okay, nasa kanya yung isang bagay at dadalin ilalayo dun sa speaker. For example, don't blank my car with you. Okay? Now, hindi pwede bring kasi yung car, dadalhin nung listener, not necessarily papunta sa speaker. So, dadalhin daw yung kotse, palayo. So, in that case, dapat ito ay take. Don't take my car with you. Again, kasi ang direction is palabas or palayo sa speaker. Another way na paggamit niya ito is if the speaker, okay, ay dadalhin papunta sa ibang lugar. So, galing na sa speaker mismo. Okay? So, starting from there, kung isang bagay ay mula doon ilalayo, for example, please take these dirty clothes to the laundry room. Kasi, nasa kanya ngayon yung mga damit, pero pinapalayo niya sa kanya. So, again, it's all about direction. So, pag papunta sa akin, na akong nagsasalita, okay, parang come, ang gagamitin ko is bring. Kung galing sa akin or galing sa iyo, pero ang direksyon altogether ay palayo sa akin, that would be take. Okay? So, kung palayo sa speaker, take, papunta sa kanya, bring. Now, another way to remember it are yung keywords natin. So, for bring, okay, if you see the preposition to, okay, bring it to me, or bring it here, you use bring. Kasi nga, again, itong words na to, na magsasabing to, at here, ang direction niyan, ang clue niyan, dinadala yan papunta do sa speaker. Kung take naman ang gagamitin, you have your keywords na away, take it away, okay, take it away, take this away, take those away from me, palayo ang direction ng away. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin mo ay take. At kung ang ginagamit din ay there. Kasi nga, bring it here, take this there. Take it there. So, here, papunta, take, palabas, kasi ang here, papunta, ang there, palayo. Okay? So, again, just additional na keywords for you guys to better remember it. Now, of course, I don't want you to end this lesson na wala kayong quick quiz. So, meron tayong 5 questions dito and I hope maging helpful sa inyo. Okay? I'm going to give you 3 minutes for this exercise so you can really think and imagine the situation. Again, always imagine na totoo yung nangyayari and you have to imagine kung ano talaga yung direction ng sentence na yon. Okay? Your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. Okay, isa-isahin natin siya. Number 1, when you come by this afternoon, make sure to blank some snacks, okay? So, sabi, when you come by. So, meron tayong mga words dito na clue. You have yung come. Kasi kung come, sabi natin, ibig sabihin, papunta dun sa direction ng speaker. Sabi, make sure to blank some snacks. So, ibig sabihin yung kausap niya, pag pumunta ka dito sa hapon, magdala ka ng snacks. So, papunta dun sa speaker. So, this has to be bring. Next, sabi, number 2, Sean, don't forget to blank this umbrella to work today. It looks like it's going to rain soon. So, kausap niya si Sean, tapos ang sabi niya, wag mong kalimutan na magdala ng payong to work today. Now, tanong, kung ako yung nagsasabi nito, sinabi ko, oy, wag mong kakalimutan magdala ng payong sa trabaho. Si Sean ba papunta sa akin o hindi? Now, ang idea would be, ito yung speaker, ito si Sean, okay? Tapos kukunin niya yung payong at dadalhin niya sa work. So again, the direction would be palayo dun sa speaker. So in this case, ito ay take. Kasi hindi naman papunta sa speaker yung payong. Okay? Now, I keep my promises. I asked Bill to blank the camera equipment here. So again, sabi niya, si Bill daw, sinabihan niya na dalhin yung camera equipment. Saan? Here. Ibig sabihin, si Bill, dinala yung camera equipment papunta sa kung nasaan yung speaker. Okay? So, ibig sabihin dahil ang direction ay towards the speaker, this should be bring. I asked Bill to bring the camera equipment here. Next, sabi, would you please blank me to the hospital? It's an emergency. Okay? So, again, kung ito yung speaker, saan siya dadalhin? Dadalhin siya sa hospital. Okay? So, yun yung clue natin dahil yun ay palayo sa current na location of speaker. The answer would be take. Take me to the hospital. Okay? Now, kung siya yung nurse na nagsasalita, bring the patient to the hospital. Okay? Bring the patient to me. Kasi yung nurse ang nagsasalita. Pero ang pinag-uusapan din natin dito, yung speaker, siya ay papunta sa hospital. So, ang direction again is still palayo sa current yung location. So, the answer is take. Number 5. My mom always says, when you leave the house, make sure that you blank enough money with you. So again, ito ang speaker. Okay? May sabi daw ng nanay niya, anong gagawin ninyo? You have to blank enough money with you. So yung speaker, aalis, okay, palabas, at magdadala siya ng pera. Hindi siya papunta dun sa kausap, hindi siya pabalik. So dapat the answer has to be take. Make sure that you take enough money with you. Okay? Kasi palayo sa kung nasaan ka ngayon. Ngayon, nasa house siya eh. So, palabas siya ng house. So, kailangan take. And if you answered bring dito, at dito specifically, you really have to brush up on that kasi yun yung common na error dyan. And again, I will be posting more exercises like this sa quick questions natin on my Instagram account. So if you don't follow me yet at Lyqa Maravilla, do follow me for you to access those free questions para makita nyo rin kung nag-i-improve na kayo. Okay?
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo na kung mag-exam din sila or gusto nilang matuto. And I hope makatulong talaga ito sa inyo. If you want to reach out to me directly, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for information on the reviewers that I make, upcoming review events, including the online review program, and a lot more. So if you want to request anything, any topic for me to talk about in the next video, comment below. And I would love to hear back from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss yung mga paparating pa lang na lessons. That's it for now. And as we say dito sa team, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyo yan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.